It's probably soccer's most fundamental skill, the first one you learn, and one you can spend a lifetime mastering. So what exactly is dribbling? Dribbling is the art of individual ball control, moving the ball with your feet to advance it towards the goal. Along the way, dribbling helps you get around defenders and protect your ball to maintain possession against those who would try to steal it, and they will. Throw a few fancy moves into the mix, and dribbling can help you fake out an opponent or break away from one towards the goal. You can take big touches or small ones and use every part of your foot in the process because dribbling is versatile. The best part? You don't need a coach, a partner, or even a field to practice dribbling. Just you and a ball, and with time and effort, there's no telling what you can accomplish.